Just imagine your resort home close to the park but on a nearby quiet street. The circular asphalt driveway offers plenty of parking and leads to a charming wraparound front porch. Enjoy morning coffee on the covered front porch watching the deer meander through the neighborhood. The great room boasts a floor-to-ceiling lava rock gas fireplace surround and knotty pine paneling, giving a nostalgic Sunriver feel to the living spaces. The cozy window seats on either side of the fireplace provide great storage. Bring family and friends to Sunriver Resort to enjoy local activities and events together in every season of the year. Feed the whole crew at the dining table and eating bar. There is a handy gas hookup for the barbecue on the side deck through sliding doors here. Serve tea, breakfast or casual meals at the eating bar, which also makes formal dining service a breeze.